My people, this is Social Media Wahala TV. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first person to be notified, my dear. Go and subscribe. Go and subscribe because many G's the app for this Social Media Wahala TV. If you never subscribe, go subscribe, my people. You go to hear many G's with the app for this social media. So, my people, again, one topic we want to talk about today now for one of our ladies. She says she need advice. She need more now. See advice her for what to do, because say sometimes something go to happen to you. You go to look and like say now play something. You go to surprise say, what did they happen to me? So, my people. So she say she wants maybe say una go advise her for what to do because she not really understand what going to happen to her again. So she say before she married this husband, so he saying get something where they always they talk to her like some say that godly angel, we Africa, some say that maybe the woman they possess or all those things, So she said she get one woman where they always they talk to her like it go be like say they see the woman face to face. So anything where the woman tell them, it they come to pass. Anything where the woman tell them, it they come to pass. If the woman tell them say don't do this thing, no, unless she they see the person, no. If the woman tell them say don't do this thing, she not go really do one. If the woman tell them say this thing you they go wrong, go this a direction where you want go, so not go or not pass here or not go this supermarket or something go happen to you, she they really take them, So before she come see this husband, say this woman they tell her say this man will be your husband. This man will be your husband. They they see this marriage say they go anywhere. He said the woman they always they tell him, but they taking she go tell the woman say, I beg this one he like him. You understand? So now so she can't follow this guy. She can't follow the guy. Say with the guy come born together. They get like 2 children together now. So he said the one waiting on the apple for him with the guy. The guy never marry him. So anytime this guy they plan say make them marry, anytime when the guy they plan and say make them marry, he say something go happen, my people. He say something must happen. Anytime when this guy just the plan and say they want marry, he say something must happen. He say it's either anytime they just the plan and they just talk and say, man, go put money for you. Or since me with you don't born together now, it may not be like say you just did with me for free. He say something. He say the time when they first plan the first time, the boy papa die. They can't see wait. They plan and again make they go do the girl grandmama die. They say make they first do the burial. They plan and again say make they go for the third time. Something happen again for the family, So he said that you can't tell the boy say I beg. Be like say you fair wait first because this one, what they call the happen now, he no understand. Anytime that they plan this marriage of a thing, something must happen. So this thing they get a CB. We have to wait first. So he said the woman they always the woman say come they talk to her, they tell her say, in fact say you see this thing, they go anywhere. This guy not be your husband. Now he make all those things they happen. If I tell you only born for him, but not be your husband. So my people, when she come they tell me the story, I was like, you sure say this man are really your husband, really, as this person they really talk to you? He say, now what you can see the reason now? Now I can see as this our sister say, but before you marry this, before you can start to be born for this guy, you even get love for he said the love not today like that, but they did together, like the guy not be all those caring guys. He say maybe if he tell the guy now say he something they happen to him, maybe where or something they happen. Say the boy not they show carry to her. But he did nice on you, but say caring, say the guy not take caring, but she not best no way she love the guy like that before. You understand, but what to do? And just they say since they don't already born, they just did together. But anytime they want plan that marriage, something must happen. And now the boy now see they tell her now, say me they can't still marry again. Say now tell the boy say no, you're not sure because you wait first, because anytime we dey plan this thing, something dey always dey happen. So in the fear, anything marriage for now, you wait. You see, so the boy dey tell am say he no fit wait again, make dem do am. So she dey fear now, say no, you know, want do this marriage for now. You go wait first. So now wetin dey happen na be this one. So he say he want bring am out, make people see shook mouth put, make dem look whether this thing wey dey read the happen, so whether na real, or whether make she go ahead to plan this marriage with this boy. But my people, nothing like say person love person before he marry am for me, because this one will be say love not even dey with love not dey for the girl like that, and it be like, just be like say the force is safe. And me, I can't see the reason I'm on the other way, whether this boy na a husband. I'm not sure say this boy na a husband, like now the girl husband really, because he said the woman would always talk to her like godly angel, you understand? Say this boy not be your husband. This boy, even though you still go ahead, this boy not be your husband, and this marriage not go ever last, not go ever work. So now what did they make the girl now the fear, say they don't know what to do again? So my people, if una go abeg, una shook mouth for this thing. If na voice record una fit send o, if na comment to abeg, una leave una comment for the comment section. She go read everything, so that make she take pick one or two advice for there. Or if na deliverance this our sister still need o, una say let her know, because the thing it don pass Joromi. Anytime they plan marriage, something must happen. Anytime they plan, something must happen. So my people, Mona chook mouth for this thing for me, because only me one no go fit do one. I beg, Mona chook mouth put, because if she says she don't know what to do again, she need advice, she need Mona advise her. As I talked about before, he say anytime that they plan this marriage, something must happen. So my people, what do una think? You where they watch me now, what do you think for this topic? Una reason and say this thing, it go really work out for this girl. This boy na a husband. Now what is she want know? Now this boy na really a husband, because that person where they talk to and they always they tell and say this boy not be your husband. This boy not be your husband. So she says she don't know what to do again. The thing they really eat her up. You just be like saying they with the guy, no love, nothing, you know, but she just did there. So she don't know what to do again. I can't see the reason I'm a gay. What una think? Me, and the reason whether this girl dey possess, or whether she dey possess or something, or you know say whether she gets spiritual husband, I don't know, because you know say when something go dey happen like this, though, can't they ask whether the person gets spiritual husband or all those things, you know? So I don't really know. So my people, what una think for this topic? Mona say let her know. Make she know what to do. Make she go from there. Make she still take one or two advice from this topic, you know, because she say don't know what to do again. She just dey confused before she come bring the topic out. So my people, anything we will not think for this topic, we will not leave una comment for the comment section. You know, una know say this life will be this, so one person no go fit take advice for himself again. No, one person no, this social media will come so. Now make I give this my shine social media wahala, because many things they happen. You don't go fit advise yourself. You don't go know what to do again. So it's better you bring them heart like this. People go still advise you for what to do. You understand? So now make I still bring this topic. Mona chook mouth put, my people. I beg Mona give her advice. She really need this advice, and they go say go a long way for her, so that she will know what to do next. So my people, that's why I talk a real show today. So thank you everybody, and if you never subscribe for this social media Wahala TV, I beg go subscribe, so that any news like this you go to hear am. Make somebody not going to tell you by yourself hear for your ear. So thank you everybody, take care until I come your way next time. I remain your sister. your friend, your everything, my people. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And if you see this video, share am so that make you reach everybody. And so thank you, bye. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Thank you, bye everybody, bye.